Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. I already opened it up because I wanted to make sure that everything was in here. And I'm going to show you first the bad. I got more garbage in the mail today, and this is all you're ever going to see about it because they keep sending me garbage. Disgusting stuff, useless stuff, things I don't need, a favorite troll phrase, things I don't want, things that are absolutely useless, and I will either take them and dispose of them, give them away, sell them, donate them to charity, or recycle them. You're going to send me nice things like the wonderful kitty cat. I love it. I love this, and I found its matching thing, which is a little tape dispenser. But if you're going to send me things that are sick, gross, stupid, insulting, or some things I can't even figure out what the hell they are because I can't see what they are, I don't want them. Don't send them to me. All right. And one other thing. The trolls are saying that I spent money donating stuff to Zoa. Well, for your information, last year someone sent me a $100 gift card to Amazon. And I bought 3 items on Amazon excuse me, with that money. A cat toy for Kathy's Catch, which they didn't like, and 2 cat toys for Zoa, including the carrot with the feathers with catnip in it. And they were paid for with the $100 Amazon gift card and not spend my cash. The second thing, they even complained that I bought a gift for Kathy for Valentine's Day. Now, I am not going to be the only man in America who's not allowed because the trolls don't like it to buy a gift for his girlfriend that I've been together with her for 42 years on and off. So, you're not here to criticize me. You're here to watch the videos and make nice comments in the videos. You're not here to troll me in other videos. You're not here to attack me, Kathy, Patty, my cats, or anybody I know. If you can't do that, you need to stop watching my videos. And I'm not getting a lot of views. I may stop doing videos altogether because I've got 1,440 subscribers. I'm getting videos with 25 views, 50 views, 40 views. I can't see my expending the effort to do videos if no one's going to watch them. So I may do paranormal videos in the future. I have another health issue. One's been ongoing. I woke up last night because Fuzzy was coughing up hairball at 3 in the morning. And I stood up and staggered for about 3 minutes. I got very, very dizzy and I could not move. And when I did, I was swaying. And then I found I have some problem with my stomach. I have to go to the emergency room tomorrow. And I have rescheduled my colonoscopy for May because it turned out the colonoscopy is the day I intend to go to UFOCon. And I wasn't going to miss UFOCon. So that's what's going on. So if you like my videos, thank you. I have gotten some donations in the mail. One for $2.50 saying it's only for Orangey. And have you know that these cups of nail mix cost minimum of about $5 to $6 for 12. So $2.50 pays for 6 cups. That's 6 days. But Orangey, of course, has to be fed every day. Wet and dry food. I went out tonight. I fed this afternoon, actually. Fed Mama Cat, Kitten, Gray. No, I didn't. I fed Gray dry food, but I didn't bring enough cups because one in the bag I thought it was full was empty. And she was upset she didn't get her wet food. She'll get extra wet food tomorrow. I felt very sorry. Tiny one, Blackie showed up and ate Gray's food. And normally Blackie does not show up till later or sometimes not at all. And I fed the pretty gray one. I fed Orangey, But Gray got shut out. I didn't have any more cups, and it's too much physical effort for me to walk all the way home, all the way back. It wears me out. And so, but very few people help with the cat food money. I spend well over $100 a month, maybe more. I've got to sit down and calculate it one day to feed my 3 cats and the 5 cats normally, but with Blackie and Pretty One, that's 7. So that's 10 cats I'm feeding every day unless it rains. And when it rains, Mama Cat and Kitten get fed because they're here, but I cannot feed the other cats because they go out in the pouring rain. I get sick. So I'm going to the emergency room tomorrow, and then I have an appointment in San Francisco on the week of the 11th to be seen. And I don't have my some of my medication because the department keeps not renewing my prescription, even though I've complained twice. All right. This is the good. This is sent to me by a friend in the Midwest. And first there's a card that says George Senda. And he sent me $12. Thank you. He already been thanked on the phone. We talked on the phone. And he sent me the wrong card because he was sending one about he wants people to be nice to me. But he sent me a cute card. And this says, your secret pal is thinking of you. And Big George, I hope this helps you, my friend. I send you this for you and the cats. You are doing good things. Hope it comes back to you tenfold. And and he put the smiley face here. So thank you. So, and that will help get me to UFOCon. And I received some more money, so $5 and another donation for $25. So what he sent me here, he had bought this, and he was going to sadly give it to his mother, but she died. And this is a brand new phone. It is not an iPhone, but it is a track phone. And I know nothing about the current version of track phone. I had one years ago, and he said this is good for a year, and he sent me the paperwork for it, the brand new phone, and it has apparently some kind of charging brick, and I pushed it. Was that on? I don't know. Looks like it might be on. Or it's reflecting, I don't know. I pushed a button and something lit up. But that's the brick. I've never seen a charging brick like that before. And then here's the charging cord. And what else is in there? Something else. Oh, now that's something, I don't know what that thing is. And then here's the charging brick. So this is a brand new LG Premier Pro Light phone. He said it's serviced for a year, and it's got regular normal apps, YouTube, Facebook. I tried putting Uber on this crappy free phone, and it will not recognize my password either on the phone or on the web on my Mac. So I will have to. There's no way to write Uber directly. They have no way to contact them. So I'm going to make a special trip to Uber's headquarters. See if I can talk to someone in person so I can get Uber activated. So let's see if I have. I'm going to have to look at the manual. I'm not sure what this is. But I'll plug this in, and I guess he put the SD card in already. Plug it in. By the way, it's very warm here. It's 80 degrees in here right now. The weather's nuts. All right, it's plugged in, and there you go. You can see it. This is what someone who is a good person does for somebody. Bought a phone and gave me the phone because he doesn't need it. And I'll figure out what this thing is. I know it. There it goes. It lights up. It lights up blue, but I don't know what this does. Let me see if I got my flashlight here. I can read it. Model TL65 capacity 9.6 WH 2600 mAh 3.7 5 volts, so input and output. So this must be a power battery or something. Reminds me of Pez. So anyway, thank you, my friend, for this and the phone. I tried to get Capital One to give me a credit increase, and because this stupid phone is free, they can't call me with a text message. So once this is activated, I will. If I can get a credit increase, I would have had an iPad. I've had that Capital One card for 5 years. They promised me a credit increase and never gave me one, even they Capital One lies. So they said, try another phone, call us back. You have excellent credit with us. We will give you a credit line increase. And so I'm going to try to get that within the next week so I can have money to go to UFOCon with. If they gave me enough for credit line increase, I'll fix my iPad or get another iPad. Or get an iPhone, I don't know. So I have no idea how to turn this on. And it is plugged in. But now it's not indicating anything. I don't know why. Anyway, that's what nice people do. They send you brand new cell phones. And he sent me even the paperwork for it. And this was $60. So, all right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry, or cool, and stay safe. And I'll catch you next time. Bye bye for now as I figure out the mystery of this phone. And it is 15 days to UFOCon. You will see me there. He said this should take excellent photos, and it might take videos for all I know. We will find out. I don't know. Bye-bye.